Alright, and here I'm showing you how I just water down the area I'm going to be weeding the next day. And that really helps. Try not to water the other plants inadvertently. That helps the weeds come up a lot easier. Really got to soak it though, so I'll be out here for a few minutes. Hi everyone, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. We are on day 4 of this major project here of clearing, as you can see, almost done, clearing this area here of all the crabgrass and weeds. So as you can see, the first 3 days I got all the way from way over there all the way over to here, and we have just this little area left to do today. So that's my goal, get as much of this done today. Tomorrow I think I'm gonna have to change gears and do something different, but for today I'm gonna start here, work my way back, and start from this end and start working towards where I ended yesterday. As you can see, it's damp because I came out and watered it last night so that the weeds will come up a little easier, make the digging a little bit easier. As you can see, we've got another overcast day, so I've got a couple hours before the sun comes out to get some stuff done. Hi everyone. Well, we are done for today, and as you can see, I made it all the way to the edge of the property here, all the way down to the sidewalk, down here, up to where the fence used to be. So I've got all the way along the fence line now to the curb is all weeded. Yay! So that's an accomplishment. Obviously, I still have this area over here. It's going to be a little problematic because you can see there's a lot of crabgrass growing up around the base of the row. So I got to be really careful around this one. I've already dug up that root yesterday, so I'll be out here tomorrow for day 5, probably the final day. Hopefully the final day of this project, so we can move on to other projects here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Thanks for watching another episode. We'll see you next time.